Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to continue with this paper pad and I wanted to share with you guys what I created next. So I have shared two other videos already of what I created while trying to smash these two paper pads. The last one was these donut shaped albums. So if you guys missed this video or the video before that, I'm going to have it linked down below so you guys could check it out to see what I've been making. But in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys another mini album I made with some smaller scraps that I had left over. So the projects are getting smaller and smaller. It's kind of fun to see it that way. Like they're getting a little bit smaller each time, but they're so fun at the same time. So I just want to share with you guys what I made. Okay, so for this little mini album, this is a 4x4 sized mini album made of just 110 pound cardstock, which I had so much fun making this, and I've made these a couple of times before on my channel. I have two different tutorials on making these 4x4 mini albums. This one is also slightly a little different, like the pages inside, the construction of the page, like the base page is the same, but then the elements inside are different than what I have made before. So if you guys are interested in this cute little 4x4 size mini album, I do have it available in my Etsy shop, so you guys could check that out. But it is adorable, and of course, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. I am trying to get to 100,000 subscribers here, so please show your support if you guys like what I am making. I stitched around the edges here. I've got some pink foiled paper, got this cut apart that says right through my heart, and then behind that I have like this little like a Cupid kind of thing, and that is actually from this die set from Scrap Diva Designs. This is her Valentine gnome add-on. So this is meant to go with like her Christmas gnome, but now turned into like a Valentine's Day theme. But this says right through my heart. So I figured I'm just going to cut out this piece, and I just kind of cut through it and extended it so that I could see it on both sides. And I just put it there. So I die cut it out, and that worked out great. And I love her die sets. I'm going to have another video coming up shortly of a lot of stuff that I made with her dies. That's just one example of like how I actually used it. So if you guys want to get anything from her new release or her other products or whatever, past releases, maybe even her new paper collection, you could use the code Carolina for 10% off your order and save some money that way. But I love her dies. I'm so excited to share with you guys what else I made with her Valentine's Day or like her January release, but it's like Valentine's Day themed. So that's one way I used one of those dies there. I've got a ribbon tie closure, and then this is the back. And again, I will link you guys to the other tutorial videos that I have made. If you guys want a specific one for this one as well, let me know, because this was fairly easy and I could definitely make another tutorial as well. So let me know if that's something you guys would want on this one specifically. So on the left hand side here, I just have this little flap and it opens up like this. I did like a little strip here that is I just glued down on 3 sides, and I made it a little tuck spot. Another pocket here with some additional kind of cut aparts from the collection. And throughout this whole entire album, I used magnets from the new magnets that I've been trying out. So they are these magnets that are 3/8 of an inch by 1/32 inches. And I have been using these nonstop, you guys. So throughout this whole entire album, I use these magnets. And you know what? I do not feel bad using a ton of magnets now. I used to feel bad because if you guys have the basic gray magnets, which is the ones that I was using before, these could cost anywhere from $5 to $12 for a pack of 12. So already you're kind of using like 6, you only have 6 sets of magnets in here because you need the one piece that connects to the other. Though somebody else did suggest to use like a metal washer instead of using double magnets. But anyway, I don't feel bad using all the magnets now because this is so much cheaper. I think it's like a pack of 60, I want to say, and which is like 30 sets of magnets, and it is so much cheaper, you guys. And on top of that, you guys could use the code KarolinasKrafts for 10% off your order if you guys are getting any magnets. And I'm going to have the coupon code linked or written down below in the description box as well if you guys want to get some magnets. But I love it. And yeah, these don't have a sticky to them, but I just add double-sided tape to that, stick it down, and then put the other magnet on top, and then add another sticky tape, and then close the paper, and then now it's like equal. And I love it. I love these magnets. I did a video sharing with you guys when I first got them, like a little unboxing. I didn't post that video until a month and a half so later because I wanted to try them out first. I don't want to just post random things if I don't know if I love it yet. So I had filmed the video, but then I only posted it once I already knew that I loved these magnets, and I do. And this is like all I'm going to be using now, you guys. They're so much cheaper. I love them. They work fantastically. They're strong, and they are actually thinner than the basic gray magnets. So they work like in that sense, they're even better. So highly recommend if you guys want to get yourself some magnets. But I use the 3/8 inch one throughout this little album here, the 4x4. Then here I did a little belly band, and I just made this little like journal card, matted it onto some white cardstock. And then I had this little scrap that says love, so I just turned that into like a little booklet right there as well. So you guys can add some goodies to there, add some photos and things. Then I have these twin pages. Again, I was just using scraps, you guys. So whatever I was able to make, that's kind of what I did. So I made twin pages here. These papers weren't long enough. Then I had these two strips. I was like, okay, we're just gonna do twin pages. So I turned them into little pockets there. I have another little booklet here, and then this little thing that says kiss, like a little ticket stub. And then same thing here. We've got another little booklet. This one says hugs and kisses, and then this one just says with love. And then both of these have like a little ribbon on the inside because these open up again one more time, and there's still twin pages on the inside. So then these pages weren't long enough either, so I just added this at the bottom, one of the it's for like from one of those sheets that has like a bunch of random strips on it, and so it just says you are my cupcake. Added in a blank white tag. It has like a faux stitched look around it. It is a stitched tag, nested stitch tag die set. I'll link it down below as well. I use these quite often, and I always have some on hand so I could just stick them into my albums. And then same thing here. This one just has another little cut apart thing. So those are my twin pages. Then this flips again. Here I made a little pocket. So we've got another little ticket stub that just says I like you and fries. Then you've got this one that says cutie, another little booklet, and then this says love. So that's a cute little pocket right there that I made. And then here I have this like larger tag that's in there, blank on the back. And then this is some seam binding from my scrap cabin shop. You guys know that's like the only seam binding that I use. And I'll be sharing with you guys a haul video soon of some more colors that I got. But if you guys want to get any seam binding, you guys could use the code Carolina10 for 10% off your order. So that's, you know, another way you guys could save some money. So there's that. And then this opens up like this. I have another little pocket here with just some more little like elements that you can use throughout. And any of these you guys could just kind of glue down on a page, for example. Like if I wanted to use the little kiss up here, I could do that. I could make it smaller. I could cut out the letters and put them down this way if I want. I can use this as a tuck spot, glue it down on 3 sides, like whatever you want to do with these. Same thing here. If I wanted to maybe glue that down there, then only glue it down on 3 sides, have this tucked behind it, like you could do that. There's so many different options, or you could do that with the little booklet also, because that one's on a booklet. But if you wanted to do the little booklet, then you have a little flip up, and then this can still be tucked behind it. So there are just so many different options of what you guys can do with these little albums, and just with the little cut up parts and things that I include in these goodies and these cuties. And also, just so you guys know, this little mini is available in my Etsy shop. I don't know if I mentioned that before in my video, but it is available in my Etsy shop in case you guys are interested in this cute little mini album. It is adorable, you guys. I love it. Super duper cute. So anyway, let me know if you guys want a specific tutorial for this. Otherwise, I will link you guys to the other 2 tutorials that I did for a 4x4 size mini album already. But let me know if you guys want a specific one to this, and I'll be happy to do that. And that is all, you guys. So I hope this video inspires you. Oh, I was going to show you guys something else, but I'll throw that into the next video actually. So I hope this video inspires you guys to create and to use up your scraps from your stash, use up those paper pads, and get to some crafting. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.